How do you tell if you're maturing in your 30s? Alam mo, nagmamature ka na kasi mas importante na sa'yo ang inner peace kaysa manalo sa argumento. Dati kailangan ikaw lagi ang last word, ngayon mas pinipili mo na ang katahimikan. Na-realize mo na hindi lahat kailangan ng sagot. Hindi lahat pinapatulan. Hindi lahat ng bagay kailangan i-explain. You learn that boundaries are very important. You stop chasing people who don't choose you. In your 20s, you're very much willing to sacrifice everything for these people because you value friendship over protecting yourself. Pero ngayon, na-realize mo na if the effort is one-sided, it's not worth it. Your circle gets smaller but your life gets better. Dati you have different set of friends, always ready pag gusto mong gumimik. Probably went to a point na parang nagiging obligasyon na ang pagsama dahil ayaw mong magkasamaan kayo ng loob. Pero ngayon, konti na lang silang natira. Pero ang mahalaga, totoo sila sa'yo. Quality over quantity, ika nga ng iba. You don't flex anymore, you build quietly. Hindi ka na nagpo-post sa social media ng bagong kotse mo, kung gaano nakataas ang sweldo mo. Mas nakafocus ka i-develop yung sarili mo and to be a better version ng dating ikaw. You care less about opinions and more about results. Yung dating feeling mo nakatingin sa'yo lahat, and nakadepende lahat ng ginagawa mo and actions mo sa opinion ng ibang tao. Ngayon, mas mahalaga sa iyong makita yung outcome ng sarili mong efforts, sarili mong idea, instead of seeking validation and approval from people. We're still a work in progress, pero kung ginagawa mo to, you're doing better than you think.